iPhone XS and using SkyNet tool, A12 Activator Bypass tool, and you can bypass also call supported 3 models XR, XS, XS Max using this tool, and also you can bypass iPhone XR up to 70 Pro Max and any iPads. Okay, just I'm going to show you how to use. More people don't know how to work, that's why now I make video for everyone. So first need to connect devices with Wi-Fi and wait few seconds. As you can see, this is the latest version, and must need to close stereo tools before run. So now I click here start button. Okay, if coming like that, so do not take tension, just click here. Okay, but sometimes here need sometimes. Okay, and remember, after bypass you can use SIM card only outgoing. If you have iPhone XS, XS Max, XS 3 model, another model only can use Wi-Fi. Okay, so more people don't know how to use this tool, that's why now I'm going to show you how to work. As you can see, it coming like that, so do not take tension, just try again, because sometime have problem, that's why need to try again. Okay, so that's why I just show you, so more people don't know how to work, so now I just show you. So click here, click OK, okay, and click again. Okay, now click start. Okay, now you can see it's done. So like that you can bypass your devices. If some type error, it's no problem, as you can see. Okay, Just wait sometimes. Now you're preparing. As you can see, it's done. Okay. It's done. So I hope understand how to work. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.